Okay, we don't talk about his throwing up once we get, it's going, yeah. We're going. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. These are Kona's puppies, and we're just playing a little dress up today. So Kona has 7 puppies and 3 girls. And it's funny, the girls love their little dresses, and 4 boys, and the boys do not like their hats and ties. I don't know how long those hats are going to last. But the girls love their little dresses. Thanks for joining us. These are Kona's puppies, and we're just playing a little dress up. Oh, thanks for joining us. These are Kona's Golden Retriever puppies. They are 42 days old today. 42 days old. And we're playing the little dress up. Now, this actually has, okay, you know the hat's on backwards, right?
Yeah.
Oh, because he's cool that way? He's just cool that way, wearing that hat backwards. It serves a purpose more than just being cute, which they really are super cute. But it also, some dogs where they live, they are going to have to wear shoes or wear raincoats and things like that. So we try to give them enrichment every day, and today it was dress up. And it's really funny that the girls love their little outfits, and they're very content to wear their little dresses. And the boys, on the other hand, hate wearing ties, don't want to wear a hat, and they generally do not want to be part of this. but
That look of disbelief.
I know. I think we should go ahead and take that off. He just does not like. No, the little hat. He does not like it. Yeah.
Come here.
No.
Here. Come here, buddy. You want me
Yeah.
to take that off?
Yeah, take that hat
Come
off.
here.
They're like not about those hats.
Come here. I know where I worry too.
I know. But it's funny how the girls love their little dresses. And the boys, they're tolerating the ties, but they do not want the little hats. For sure. So thanks for joining us. These are Kona's Golden Retriever puppies, and they're 42 days old today. And part of their training that we're doing in these weeks are just exposing them to new things. So as they get older, they're confident that new things aren't scary and new things aren't going to hurt them. And so today, their new thing to try is a little bit of dress up. So the girls are all wearing their little dresses, and the boys are wearing their ties, and they are as cute as can be. The boys did not like their hats. We had to take those off. They were just not liking the hats. Thanks for joining us. Oh.
Yeah.
Hi, Liz. Kona is outside. Kona does not come in with the puppies very much anymore. She is almost through with her weaning. And so while she's at this very tail end stage of weaning, she stays away from them pretty much, because she can't wean and nurse at the same time. So she comes into them for them and plays with them and feeds them. And then basically she likes spending time outside with her friends, the other dogs, or in the living room with the other dogs, or just wherever they are in the house. And somebody was asking where's Purple. Purple is right there wearing the black and white polka dot with the pink skirt. Oh, Chocolate Lab, they are beautiful dogs. Hey, thanks for the likes. They're so funny. So the boys are all wearing their ties today. And the girls are all wearing their little dresses today. And they are fun. And as you can see, they're all drinking out of the water bottles. But it's kind of funny. They've all decided they like one water bottle better than the other. Oh my goodness, who knows why? They're exactly the same kind of water bottle. But everybody likes one. Oh, and Pink is, she says, like, wait, it's my turn to get some water. Oh my goodness. Wait your turn, girls. Oh, Winter and Murphy, those are such cute names for Goldens. Yes, well, today is dress up day, and it serves more of a purpose than just being cute, even though, I'm sorry, they're stinking cute. Yep, Pinky is in the pink dress, the pink polka dots there, with the floofy skirt. And, but it also is another experience for them. Some of them will live in a climate where they're going to wear shoes, or they're going to wear raincoats, or some people, some people just like me like to dress their dogs up. And so this is teaching them early on that dressing up is fun and it's okay to wear clothes. I know. I know. The little boy's like, I don't want to wear a tie. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Oh, where are we from? We're in Northwest Florida. Where are you guys from? We have a website. If you look on our profile, there's a link to our website. Let's see. No, all the boys are wearing a tie. Who is that? That's Brown Boy in the black and white?
Yes.
Yeah, Brown Color Boy has that black and white polka dotted tie. I know. Isn't that just the funniest thing? Oh my goodness. Hey, South Jersey. At the beach, nice. Redondo Beach, California. Thanks for joining us again. I feel like you guys are old friends now. And it's funny how the girls like their little dresses and the boys are not about dress up so much. Hey, Michigan. Glad to see you, Sweet Peas beloved, again. But these are cutie pies. And, oh, somebody went in the litter box, so we're going to clean that out. Here is, here's a bag. There we go. That's what gloves and litter boxes are for. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Warsaw, North Carolina, good to see you again. They are growing up. Oh my goodness. Oh, Pinky's little skirt is up. Can we lay that down? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sharon, it's good to see you tonight. They really are little cutie pies. I know, the little girls are just playing around in their little dresses, so cute, and the boys are like, how long do we have to wear this tie? They are 42 days. So 6 weeks. 6 weeks old today. That is pretty crazy. 6 weeks old today. They are beautiful though. They're golden retrievers. He's like, you put this tie on me, I'm not doing nothing. Oh my goodness. They're so funny. Oh.
Blue's like, I'm gonna escape.
Do we do 2 litters at once? We've had 2 litters at once before. Are they fully weaned, or does Kona is just finishing up weaning?
You are determined.
And Nicole, there's comments about your t-shirt. Yes, the last few weeks in Florida, rain every day. I know. Today we actually have made it so far with no rain. Can't believe it.
Hey, mister, where you going?
All of us, the dogs and us, have really enjoyed it. Hey, New York. Good to see you again.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, they are cutie patooties. What's wrong? You want that old tie off, don't you?
Here, mister. Come here. Leave.
Oh, Tampa Bay's getting rain. I believe it. This has been such a wet summer. Oh my goodness.
Mister. Here you go. Need some loving.
Oh, yeah. So as you can see at the back, they also have water bottles. We give them water with their kibble still, but we also make sure that their water bottles are full and they have clean, fresh water, all, 24/7, which is really good for them. Because as they're starting to use the litter box, we don't want them walking in the litter box and then walking in the water and then drinking it, because that would be creepy, disgusting. So we make sure that they have a way to get fresh, clean water all the time. So the 3 girls are in their little dresses tonight, and the boys are all in their bow ties. The boys were in little shirts and hats, but yeah, that just didn't last real long with the boys. And the girls love wearing their little dress-up clothes. Yeah. Yeah, they are just so cute. So we have a website that is on our profile, and so you guys can always go there, and there's little Pinky standing up. And if you want to learn more about us and our philosophy of raising puppies and things like that, you can look at our website. Oh, they're so cute. I love those little floofy dresses and her little cheerleading skirt dress. Oh my goodness.
Aren't you rather dashing? Look at the toys. All the boys are like, time to go out.
So besides just being so cute in their little clothes, it's good for them, because some of them will live in homes that they'll dress up, or they'll have to dress up. And then this will already have given them experience and teach them that, having a coat, a hat, shoes, that anything like that's cool. A couple of them are already starting to wind down for their little nappy poo. Oh my goodness. So cute. So cute.
What?
Oh.
It's gonna take your brother out, aren't you?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
So many
No, this time next week, they will not even be able to wear those dresses anymore. It's so sad. I have some bigger puppy clothes that we might try and see if, when they get a little bit bigger, if they'll fit into them. But my husband said I have an addiction and I have to stop buying the dogs clothes. I said, okay. Sort of.
Silly.
I know, isn't the little cheerleading outfit so cute? Oh, and Miss Purple laying down there. Wanting a belly rub. Oh, thanks for sending the rose. No, Debbie, no names yet. We still call them by their collar colors. But these are Kona's puppies. They're 42 days old, so they're 6 weeks today. And they, nope, Dad still hasn't seen him. It's been so wet and he's been playing in the mud. But hopefully it will be soon. It's one of those top on my list things to get done. Just waiting for the right time. They are little cutie pies. They're 6 weeks old. They're golden retrievers. They're light goldens, commonly called English goldens. I mean, he's snoozing, Nicole, isn't he?
Yes, he is. He is out.
He is out. We woke him up to try and put his tie on him. Lisa, you were here when they were born? Oh my goodness. I know, it's hard to believe that was 6 weeks ago. Crazy. But they are cutie patooties. They will be going in soon for their vet checks and their first shots. Oh. And everybody's jumping. Oh my goodness.
Everybody loves that dress.
I know.
Just follow the dress.
Oh my goodness. Oh, hey Rick and Lisa. It's good to see you. The little puppies are all dressed up today. This was their enrichment today, was putting on clothes. All the boys have the little ties. And all the girls, their little dresses. So cute. Lisa, I'm so glad that you join us every night. I know I missed last night, but crazy last week and a crazy weekend. I know little Miss Pink Collar with her tutu on is just too cute.
Where do you think you're gonna go?
Blue. Who's got Blue?
Blue is back there.
Oh, Blue is drinking right now. After he gets a drink, maybe we can hold him up.
Where are you going, mister?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Purple will help.
I know. Purple's
like
saying,
done.
okay, you can be done because I'm there. Oh. Can you hold him up so we can see his face a little bit better? Oh, he's so cute. Look at those big paws. Those are some big paws he's got on him. I know. Blue is so cute.
She's like, I want to go and explore the world.
Stephanie, you're a puppy hoarder. Oh, he is going to be a big boy.
Blue feels for it. I'm kidding. He's not
Team Blue gave a shout out. Woohoo for the blue. Wee-hoo for the blue. Yeah. I know. They're so funny.
That's so graceful, honey.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I thought she just fell asleep. I'm down.
90 pounds. That is a big boy. Nice. Hey, little girl. How are you? You come to see me and get some little rub. Yeah. So Kona's puppies are 6 weeks today. Oh, so cute. 6 weeks today, and tomorrow we'll do a weigh-in, I believe, is what is on the plan. Sometimes the plans change, but it looks like that's what it is. Oh, so cute. Thanks for the golden puppy dog. Oh, did it fall? Thanks, Steph.
She's like, even though we don't drink from it, don't take it away.
I know. They're like, because we might want it if it's not there. They are really sweet. I think it's
1 foot.
yeah, with too high. Here, wait. No, if it's on the inside, they put
Knock
it out.
it down.
Yeah. There we go.
It's too far in. There we go.
There we go. There we go.
You are loving my hair. What is it?
Oh.
I think it's a new toy, don't you? I know, isn't it fascinating?
She says, I wish I had a braid like that. Oh, your golden is 90 also. Those are big boys.
It's gone.
Yes, yellow is a sweetheart. As she bites around. Oh my goodness.
Such cute little nipples, though.
Yes. So what I would expect that pretty soon they're going to be falling asleep, and so we're going to need to take them out of their little clothes so they can take their little nap for the evening. But thanks you guys for joining us. Sure appreciate it. We'll try to be back tomorrow with more of Adventures with Kona's Babies. Have a great evening. Bye.